All right, I'm gonna make a very short, sweet video. I didn't think it was required, but I'm gonna make it anyways. In this video, I'm just gonna go over how you can remove people from your friends queue, from your request queue. So we're just gonna hop in Friender. You guys have probably watched the other videos on how you add people to your request queue to actually send friend requests out to them. I didn't make this video because I thought it was pretty easy, but since I see a few people having questions on how to do it. If you want to remove people from your request queue, just click on these check boxes. You can click this to click all of them, but just click on these check boxes of the people that you want to remove. Come right up here to this little actions button and then click remove, okay? So your actions that you can do here is you can either remove or you can move people to the top if you want to. So for example, if you come way over here and you want to add this person from Blake's partner program to the top, so he's the next person that actually gets a friend request, you'll see, hey, they're going to get added to the top. He's there, added to the top. If you want to remove people, all you got to do is click them and then click on the remove option. They will be removed. They're no longer going to get friend request. All right. And just for reference, you're able to do this all over the place inside. You're able to do this all over the place inside Friender. If you see a place where there's actually people that you can click on, you can click on the actions, and there's going to be whatever actions that you can do for those people. So anywhere where you see these little check marks next to contacts in Friender, you can always click on them, and then you can click on the actions, and that will let you do various things. But again, just so everybody's clear how you remove people from your friends queue, how can you actually remove people that you've added there, however you added, these people came from suggested friends. Just click on the people that you want to remove, click on the little actions icon at the top, and then click remove, and they are removed, and that's it.